Blue skies are no longer here, but there's no reason to fear. I know a place we can hide until the storm passes by. Your face is starting to shine. Now girl, I'm so glad you're mine. I wouldn't trade these times, not for my shiny last dime. So let's get caught in the rain. I know that doesn't sound the same. I'll always take all the blame, because your pleasure's my pain. Look at the full mason jars, the rain is pouring down hard. We got each other to hold, save us from catching a cold. Honey, don't be upset, because you're all soaking wet. I know a little place that makes a smiley face. So now we're caught in the rain, hoping the weather does change. I got you playing my game, but still your pleasure's my pain. Let's get caught in the rain. I know that doesn't sound sane. I'll always take all the blame, because your pleasure's my pain. Look up ahead, there's a barn. It won't be long till it's on. You got me covered in your sweat. This day I'll never forget. The sky's thundering loud. My pleasure's being your shroud. The wind is shaking this barn. You're like a kitten with yarn. So now we're out of the rain. Still our surroundings are strange. I'll dry you with my flame. Feel how my pleasure's your pain. Now, baby, don't be ashamed. No, just be glad that it rained. You'll never be the same. I'm gonna give you my name. Sounds like the weather has changed. Rainbows are calling our names, but I don't need no gold, so long as you're here to hold. We got caught in the rain, went a little insane. We stole each other's hearts, then pledged to never part. I know, tell me you're a better songwriter and composer than a singer. Well, there you go.